This 5-minute solution will show you how to hide any contact on Facebook Messenger. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to hide any contact. First of all, launch your Messenger app. Tap on this menu icon. Tap on Settings. Tap on Privacy and Safety. Tap on Hidden Contacts. Tap on this plus icon. And now search for the contact that you want to hide. Select the contact. Tap on Hide Contact. And this is how we can hide any contact on Facebook Messenger. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.